Hello everyone, I am back with a new video on the latest cue card topic. Before starting the cue card, I would like to share some points which I think will be very beneficial for you in preparing the cue cards. So I have seen students that when they prepare the cue card, they always write it in a paragraph form. Please do not do that. I think if you will write it in chunks, it would be very easy for you at the time of the interview, because you will be given only a minute, and if you focus on writing the paragraph, you won't be able to cover the bullet questions. So please make it a habit to write only in chunks. Secondly, I strongly suggest you that you should always try to connect the cue card with your personal life. As you have gone through it, it would be easy for you to build up the story. So let's move to the cue card now. The topic is, talk about the time when you were in trouble. So it says that आपको उस सिचुएशन की बात करनी है जब आपने किसी प्रॉब्लम को फेस किया या आप किसी प्रॉब्लम में थे. The bullet questions are, what type of trouble it was, किस तरह की ट्रबल थी वो, या किस तरह का प्रॉब्लम था जो आपने फेस किया. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज हाउ यू गॉट इनटू इट, आप कैसे इस प्रॉब्लम में फंसे. हाउ यू हैंडल्ड इट, कैसे आपने इस प्रॉब्लम को टैकल किया या सॉल्व किया. हाउ यू फेल्ट अबाउट इट, किस तरह से जब आप उस प्रॉब्लम में थे आप क्या फील कर रहे थे, और जब उस प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन मिल गया या आपने सॉल्व कर ली प्रॉब्लम तो आपने क्या फील किया. So these are the bullet questions that are to be covered in the cue card. So this is the spiral form, and I think this is one of the most convenient ways in which you can prepare the cue card. You just need to jot down the points which come in your mind, and you can look at them and you can continue speaking. तो मैंने आपके लिए एक सैम्पल क्यू कार्ड प्रिपेयर किया है जो मेरी खुद की लाइफ से रिलेटेड है. I mean I have experienced it. So now I'll start it. Every cue card has a general line, and I think this cue card could be started as, everyone faces some kind of turmoils in his or her life. Some are big, some are small, but here I would like to talk about a time when I faced a difficulty in my life. It was around a year back when the lockdown was imposed in our country, and one day when I got up from the bed, I saw that my phone is not working. So I have written here that my phone broke down. These are the basic points which we write in the spiral method. Our generation relies on phone, on technology so much that even spending a day without it feels like a year, I think. So at that time I was very scared to tell my parents about it. The first thing that came to my mind was I should contact my friends, as they would know any technician, but I felt a great difficulty in finding a technician, and so my last resort was to talk to my parents about it, because there was no other option left for me. When I talked to my father, he called a mechanic, and finally we got a mechanic. The following day he came to our house with all his equipments, and I got my phone repaired. I was on cloud 9 or over the moon, and I felt so lively when I had my phone back in my hands. So this was the one time when I was in trouble. So this is just a sample cue card. If you like, you can add more points to it. And I hope you liked today's video, and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe. I'll be back with new videos. For now, bye bye.